Morning. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Very nice week. Gotta trade them. Interesting. Okay. Nice week setting up. Microsoft looks like a complete breakout. How far does it go? Does it go to high of year? Nvidia looks like it's starting to break out. Does it go to high of year? Avago and Chips earnings next week. Does it put a Marvell and go through 200? Lilly, very straightforward. You have a new number now, 852. Coin MicroStrategy doing nothing, so just kind of basing. Lulu, nice pop. Ultra, nice pop. Those two are moving. SMCI held. Do we get news after the close? That's a possibility. And then we see. TSM, very nice week in recovery, up 23 points. Okay? So that's what we know. Tesla flying. We're in some Teslas. We bought them yesterday, and then we sold them. We took $2 profit, put $1 into the next one. Looks like they'll be even at open, but it's flying. Got in a little bit early. Snowman set up nicely, and we got jobs coming in a few minutes. That's what we know. Today, because we have a few minutes, I wanted to, if somebody wants to raise their hand, first type in, hey, unmute me, and I will unmute you, and you can ask a couple questions or say something, whatever you need to say. Hold on. It's on. Hold on. Hold on a second here. It's on. Okay. So if you want to say something, just raise your hand. Anybody want to talk? Here's your question day. Very nice. Come on. Somebody. Opportunity. Everybody's sleeping. Everybody's hugging wifey. They're like, oh my God, this is so much fun. We're ripping everything. Okay. So a couple other things here, since nobody wants to talk. I want to talk to you, Anil. Hold on. You're under A or you under... okay, Anil Kumar. Okay.
Thank you, Sam. Can
Hey,
you hear
how
me,
are
Sam?
you?
Yeah,
Yes.
I'm doing great, Sam. I live in San Diego. Looking
Okay.
forward to meeting you, soon whenever possible. And it's a fantastic month. I mean, it's been a few years that I've been with you, 5 years in the room.
Very
Kind of
nice.
little bit on and off, but this year has been fantastic. I mean, unbelievable. So once we realize that, whatever that you put, you expect zero and kind of like, take out profits and manage your account. Fantastic year. I mean, unbelievable how you have helped me in building my account confidence. Thank you so much. I cannot thank you enough. You know.
Thank you. We get so many messages like this, and actually, one of the great things of when we were in Vegas, I mean, pretty much, 250 people. When 250 people are coming up to you and telling you this stuff, absolutely wonderful, right? I mean, and so thank you very, very much. One of the keys, guys, is understanding what your goals are. And, one of some people that struggle, things that you can't get over. Let's say you have a $500,000 account. I mean, this is before you knew Sam, okay? And you take it to 100,000, and you're down 400,000. When you come to Sam and you say, "I'm down 400,000," see, that's irrelevant. See, this is the part that nobody understands. It's irrelevant. Why does it matter what you're down? It only matters what you have left, right? Because here's the thing, and this is the reality. So let's say that person, you're down 400,000, and you take MicroStrategy and you buy 20 of them, and you're up 100 grand yesterday. 99% sure that you don't sell it up 100 grand and you give it all back. I'm 99% sure. Why? because you want to make it all back. See, so you have to think differently, and when you think differently, then you start trading differently. I mean, I trade differently right now. I don't sell the big winners fast right now because it's the end of the year and the government's subsidizing me. If I lose 100 grand, I mean that's 40 grand I don't give them in taxes because I owe a lot of taxes here. Okay, so a little bit different, a little bit different. Billionaire baby girl, I unmuted you. You got need to self unmute and then you can go ahead and talk. Go ahead.
Hi, good morning, everyone. Hi, Sam. I'm new
Hey,
to the platform. I joined them actually yesterday, but prior to then, I've just been trading, I would say, blindly.
huh?
I got into Tesla yesterday, Tesla options for 12.13 at an average
Okay.
cost of $4.10. I got in prior to that and got some profits and left, but this was the one I left open yesterday just for 5 contracts. And now I'm looking at it, it's gone up, but I'm not sure what it's gonna do by market open. So I'm a little confused on what to do with Tesla right
Real
now.
quick, which contract did you buy? Did you buy this week's or next week's, and what strike?
Expiration date will be 12/13.
Oh, next week, and what strike?
1 second, please.
370s, 380s,
I think what I got was oh boy.
390s.
I think my break even number is 404. I'm trying to see the exact something I did here.
404. I would probably think you bought 370s yesterday, right?
Possibly, yes.
Yeah, so but they're going to be a double at the open, and it's a breakout. It took out yesterday's high, looks like 392, and can really, really run. So two things on Tesla to keep an eye on. It runs fast and hard in the first 5-10 minutes, then it
Okay.
pulls
Oh,
back a little bit,
oh,
and maybe it pulls back a lot or it pulls back a little bit. But you have this jobs report coming in a minute, okay? But you look
okay.
good tomorrow, and thanks for talking. We'll start doing this again a little bit. So it looks like you're set up very nice and for a good day. So manage your account. Thank you. Okay, jobs report is coming, guys. This is what we're waiting for, and then we'll get going. Very, very interesting. Let's see what SPX does. Did it move? It's down 10. Now it's down 3. Now it's up 1, so it means jobs is good. Hold it. Right at expectations. This is what we said. So, so things to remember. There are clowns. And I mean, all these guys, it's funny. This guy, he puts out there, he goes, oh, we could crash on the jobs. And then this guy runs a service. I mean, how are you going to crash when the hurricane jobs report? You don't know what's real. You have zero idea what's real. I mean, it's just stupid. If you follow people that are amateurs, I mean, this guy, Stanford guy, amateur. Can you imagine somebody saying it's going to crash? Bitcoin is going to crash. So let's say you bought Bitcoin at 60,000, or let's say you bought MicroStrategy with us when we're buying it at 200. People bought the stock. A lot of people in the room bought the stock at 200, 150. It's at 150. Oh, Bitcoin's going to crash. Who cares? If it goes to 150 and it goes down to 300, you're at 380 still. You're still up a double. The word crash is meant to scare people. Don't let them do that. I told you the jobs report would be fine. It was a win-win. Because if the jobs was at 200 like it came in, it was going to rip. And if the jobs was at 100, they were going to cut. And they're still going to cut. And it's fine. And today, keep an eye on NASDAQ because SPX is up 3. The NASDAQ's up 30. It's a 10 to 1. So let's see what happens. Okay? But chips are back in play now. And Microsoft is in play. Let's see if we can get a huge, huge day. Interesting. Okay, let's get started. Good morning, everybody. SPX up 5, okay? So you got 6081, 6092, 6100, 6150. Wow. 61.52, 61.09, 61.22, 61.52. Underneath 60.52 and 6,000. Avando, 176, 177, 181, 187. If it pulls a Marvell went move 22 points. This goes high of year 201. Underneath 161. NVIDIA, we bought them for next week. Looks really, really nice. If it finally takes out 146, 149. Meta, one-day wonder. This stuff moves. Here comes SPX. We're going to rock it. I mean, Sam's just smarter than everybody, okay? Just smarter. But let me tell you something, guys. To become smarter, to become like Sam, you have to think simple. Don't look at, oh my God, the VIX is down, the 200 days moving up, oh, this is moving down, oh, this went up, so this went down, or this did this. Who cares? Simplify it. Simple. Kind of like when your wife said, honey, you can do this. You can do this. Okay? I mean, it's okay. Very, very simple. CRM 372, Lily 842, 851, Coin 338. Now got a new number, 355. Okay, MicroStrategy 422, 441. If and when it gets over 466, it'll run. Something on MicroStrategy next week on Friday after the close. Possible inclusion into the NASDAQ. It doesn't happen that day. It will be an announcement. There's also an announcement into the SPX. I don't think they go into the SPX yet because they have to do the FASB accounting standards as of next year. But I think App Lovin can get in. So keep an eye on that one. Okay. Lulu, nice move. 379, 391. SMCI, 46.49. Carvana, 266, 272. Reddit, 161, 169. App Lovin, 401, 432. NASDAQ, 21,600 if it rips. Taiwan Semi, 206, 213 Beast. Microsoft, 448, 451. Tesla, Rippy Mode, 381, 389. Snowman, 188, 192. NOW, what a move. What a move. We bought this thing at 230 on CRM News. This is how pin action works. 1152. Okay? What is the next beast number on your public? On your public. What public? John Saylor pitched Microsoft. That's what we know. Okay, that's what we know, guys. SPX better. There's no bad news. There's no bad news. Do we get going? Maybe. Tesla looks like a grand slam today. That's what we know. That's what we know. That's what we know. Unity Software, I don't really follow that, but it moves with Roblox, so it looks better, 31, but hard trade. I don't do hard trades. There's too many easy trades, trades that move. Then we see. Interesting. Guys, keep on SMCI, may get news. So here's the thing. If you buy SMCI stock, make sure you have puts. If it goes to shit, it'll go to $10. But if it doesn't and they get approved and BDO comes out next week or the week after and says everything looks hunky-dory, it's going to 70 or 80. But make sure you have puts so you don't get slammed, okay? If you get slammed, then you kind of probably want to go talk to Jerry Jones and say, how does it feel? Okay? Everybody have a great trading day. See you in chat.